Hello, Glenn here from Franchise Buyer at the Sydney Franchising Expo, and the Snap-on Tools van is here. I've always wanted to see inside one, and I reckon you have too. The van tours we do for all sorts of franchises on our YouTube channel are some of the most viewed videos we have. So Adam Wright here, the National Marketing and Product Manager, is going to take us on a tour, so let's hand over to Adam right now.
Hi everyone, Adam Wright, National Product and Marketing Manager for Snap-on Tools Australia and New Zealand. We're here at the Franchising Expo and we've got one of our big 5-metre Isuzu trucks, which is one of our mobile stores. So with our business, we actually go out to, we serve automotive technicians, mining, industrial. We look after, customers such as Qantas and many other large sort of scale sort of businesses across the country. So the joy about Snap-on is we're 100 years old as of last year. US organisation, first started over in Milwaukee, Wisconsin actually, back in 1920. So been around a few years. Certainly the premium end of the market with what we sell and what we manufacture. American-made steel, wrenches, spanners, power tools, diagnostics equipment is a big one these days with the advancement in automotive technology. And then obviously what we do with our tool storage units and a massive array of different products that we sell into the market. So you might want to come in and we'll show you the truck. Okay, we're inside one of our brand new 5-metre Isuzu Snap-on trucks. This truck is designed to carry pretty much most of the range that we have. It's empty at the moment because it's a brand new truck, and to be quite honest, we've been selling quite a few franchises recently. We've been putting some guys on the road, so we couldn't get this one stocked in time for the show. But what it is a variety. We put hammers in here. We have a lot of our sockets and spanner sets displayed up here. Just numerous different things that they can, we can display. We even have roof hangers. We've got that many products wise. We put all our screwdrivers up here. We put all our plier sets, ton of stuff, pick sets, everything that goes up there. We do onboard repairs for power tools. That's why the vice is here as well. So any quick adjustments on any of our products, the guys are trained, can do that on board the truck as well. So the great thing about Snap-on is that we go to the customer. So the customer doesn't have to come into a retail store because we have a set run which each of our franchises do every day. They generally service around 200 in the automotive space, around 200 workshops, on a monthly basis, and we call into those shops. Generally, it's a worked out a time schedule for them, and techs come out and they come onto the truck and they look at what they need and we sell them the tools, etc. So that's the great thing about Snap-on. We bring the showroom to you, and you don't have to come to us. So yeah, we've been around 100 years. It's a great business opportunity. The guys who are in the business certainly love it. They're passionate about it. You don't have to have an automotive background. We generally look for people who have good sales skills, because at the end of the day, we're a relationship business. We're about building relationships with our customers and getting the product to the technicians and diagnostics people, etc., to help them make their day easier and more efficient to save money. So thanks for coming on board and checking out our Snap-on franchise.